Hello everyone. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you another DIY for Christmas. I am in the spirit. I am filling out my house and I want to share with you guys what I am doing. This is so cute and easy to make. Let's jump right into the video. First things, you're going to use these table topper decor from Dollar Tree. I bought a bunch of these during Thanksgiving, and you're just going to pop out that front piece. It is going to be a little difficult. You got to really use your thumb muscles to pop it on out of there, and this will be the base of the entire project. Now I am using a ruler to make sure that my little ledges are equal distance apart. Just make sure if you're going to be using a very long saying that you will utilize the very bottom base of this square. So you want to make sure that everything is equal distance apart and that you have enough space for the letters. Now for my little ledges, I have decided to use paint stirrers that I had in my house from an old DIY project. You can use anything from cardboard to cardstock to paper layered up with glue and even foam board from Dollar Tree. I just wanted to make sure that they were very sturdy, and little pieces of wood for me was ideal. You're going to make sure that they are perfect size by lining them up against the square, using a marker to line it out, and then you're going to cut it out, and this will be how you will use the little ledges in the box. Now I have decided to use my Dremel to cut out the little pieces, but you can use whatever you have at home. Now I am going to use my white acrylic paint I purchased from Dollar Tree and my little brush to paint the ledges white. You can paint the color any color you like. I decided to do it white because I wanted to have a very neutral color that can go with anything, especially inside of my home. And when you are painting these, the paint stirrers will have that one side that has really dark words, so you would want to make sure you don't dilute the paint as much, because you want it to be very thick to cover the blackness, so that when you are hanging them up, you're not able to see it from either side because it is covered with paint. You may have to do more than one coat, and that is okay. Allow it to dry fully before applying the second coat. And now you're going to do the same thing with the actual square box. I am just lightly brushing it. I'm not trying to really coat it because I want some of the brown to come through. But again, any color you choose, I am just choosing white. Now it is time to place the letters on your little paint sticks. I am using the letters from the message boards. I have about a lot of them in my house, and these little letters were perfect size to put on this DIY. You put some hot glue down first. Allow it to get a little bit hard, because if not, they will just fall all over the place. And then you will try to balance them as the hot glue gets hard, so that it can stay and be as straight as possible. So just, I'm eyeballing it, so mine ended up being a little bit off, but that's okay. Now it is time to affix your letters on the ledge onto the box. It's simple as using some hot glue on both sides of the frame or putting hot glue on both sides of the actual paint stirrers and snugging it right into the box so that it can adhere. You may have to apply more hot glue once it's inside because you don't really want to use a lot of hot glue as it will smear all over the place, and if you peel it off, it will peel off the paint as well in some areas. So just applying the right amount is key, but you can always just poke your gun inside of the box and apply it onto the bottom and top of the little paint stirrer so it will not move, and that is how you will affix it to the box. I was very upset because I could not find any miniature trees or anything to put in the box to give it a little bit color. So I grabbed a bag of fake snow Dollar Tree has that is glistening with different colors from different angles. So I'm just going to apply some hot glue on each level in front of the words, sprinkle some of the fake snow on there to give it a little bit of color. That is all to this easy DIY. I hope you guys enjoy it and actually try it out. Please leave me a comment, subscribe. Have a wonderful holiday.